Girls, ano ka ba? Girls tayo eh. Ready na ba ang Pussycat Dolls? Yeah! Ready na ba ang Bouncing Baby Boys? Game na! Ready? Pati po na. Basketball player number 3. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 1. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 2, number 3, number 4. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 4. Oh! Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 5. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 3, number 2, number 1, number 3. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 5, number 4, number 3, number 1. Pass player number 6. Oh, pass player number 2, number 3. Shoot! Shoot!
Okay, una pa rin yung ating
Bouncing Baby Boy. Siyempre yung bola, ibalik sa ring.
Ayan. Ballpen ko ba yan?
Ballpen ko eh.
Okay.
Ayan. So may next round pa tayo pwede umabot ang Pussycat Dolls. So kailangan yung galingan girls para makatay tayo for third round. Okay? So ready na. Basketball player number 1. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 2. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 2. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 4, number 3, number 5. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 6. Oh! Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1, number 3. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 3. Oh! Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 4, number 3, number 5, number 1, number 1. Dribble, exhibition, pass player number 1. Shoot! O, di ba sabi ko sa'yo makakabawi kayo, girls? Siyempre may third round pa tayo, third magiging tiebreaker na kung sino manalo, kung sila yung mga katanalo na doon. So, Kuya RR ko naman.
Ay, nakawit ka na. Okay, so ready. Ayan. So, eto na po yung tiebreaker round natin. Kung sino yung makakapunto, syempre sila na yung panalo. Ready? Basketball player number 5. Dribble, exhibition, dribble, pass to player number 1, dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 3, dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 5, number 2, number 5, number 2, number 1, dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 3, number 2, number 3, number 2, number 4, dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 4. Dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 1. Number 2, number 1, number 2, number 3. Dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 5. Number 2, number 5, number 2, number 4. Dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 4. Shoot! Ayan. Okay na. Ayan. Ang nanalo po natin ay
Pussycat Dolls.
Ayan. Sino ba nauna? Ay, sino ba nauna?